Overall, it was a good trip. Value for money. The tour guide was very informative. It was a good exercise as well. Essential Porto Walking Tour. Embark on the Essential Porto Walking Tour and explore the historic Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with the guidance of an expert. Visit iconic landmarks like the Clerigos Tower and Bento railway station while immersing yourself in the rich culture and fascinating history of Porto. Stroll through the city's charming streets, gaining local insights into its vibrant past. With both morning and afternoon departure options, this flexible tour ensures you experience the best of Porto at your own pace, all while being accompanied by a knowledgeable guide. Perfect for those wanting to uncover the true essence of this captivating city.